Today we're going to be continuing our discussion about slope of a line. Classifying slopes given graphs of lines. So here we have a bunch of different graphs. We have 4 different graphs of lines with all different slopes. So let's look at slope a little bit more. Previously we've talked about slope as the rise over the run of a linear equation or a line. But it's also the steepness of that line. So it tells how steep it is, what direction it goes, whether it goes up, down, or side to side, or straight up and down. That's what slope tells us. And they have 4 different characteristics: positive, negative, zero, and undefined. A positive slope goes up from left to right. A negative slope goes down from left to right. A zero slope goes straight across. And undefined is an up and down slope. So let's look at our graphs here. It says for each slope determine whether it's positive, negative, zero, or undefined. So let's look at our first one. This one goes straight across, so it's pretty easy to see that it is a zero slope. Goes straight across. It identifies and it takes care of the definition of zero slope. And if you drew a little guy here, he would walk straight across the line. Okay? If we go to the next one, if we go from left to right, it looks like it's going to be going up. If we go left to right, it goes in the direction up. And if we drew a man, he would be climbing the mountain. He'd be going up the mountaintop here. He's going up. So it's positive slope. It's going to have a positive value assigned to it. If we look at negative slope, it goes down from left to right. So from my left value to my right values, my sign is going down. And so we can think of it as a slide. He's going down a slide. And that one's going down. Okay? So this one's going to be a negative slope. And lastly, we have another one. It's just straight across, and our gentleman here, our little orange safety guy, is going to be walking. He's going to be walking straight across a tightrope, like there's sharks down here and stuff. Walking across the tightrope, not having to worry about falling down. So remember, when you're asked to find the direction of the slope, read it left to right always.